Hi everyone, I'm Louis Barrales and I'm here to talk about one of our most useful features, the Fullbay motor integration. There's a lot to love about this integration. We're talking up-to-date labor time guides for vehicle classes 1 through 8, wiring diagrams, and service guides. And you can access all of it seamlessly right within Fullbay. Seeing is believing, so take a look at this. Here's a service order in Fullbay. The customer is reporting squeaky brakes. We type in brakes, and there's the motor database showing us brake-related repairs. That's the labor time guide in action on the right. When we select the service we want, it inputs the repair right into the service order as an action item. No need to copy and paste. Want to add a part to the service order? You can search your own inventory or the FleetCross database for a suitable substitution. We'll add it to the service order as a special order part. The Fullbay motor integration has several options available, and we're sure one of them is perfect for your shop. The heavy-duty service guide has step-by-step diagnostics and repair procedures to help your techs perform world-class repairs. The labor time guide features inspection and repair times, so you can quickly add them up to estimates and keep up with the standards in the heavy-duty industry. Got a truck in the bay that needs a part you don't have? The parts cross-reference will show you what you can substitute. It's updated monthly, and it's your path to millions of parts, and a way to help customers increase their uptime. And get this, there's no limit on users. Everyone in the shop can put the integration to work. If you're ready to deliver hyper-accurate estimates, perform faster, higher quality repairs, and fully leverage your inventory, then the motor integration is definitely for you. Want to get started? Head to the Fullbay Connect integrations page and turn on the motor card, or visit fullbay.com/motor for more information.